Guys, those of you that are looking for this sander, this is a killer deal. It was just posted this morning. Don't forget to hop out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more to deals, price glitches. All right, so we got this is the M18 fuel cordless brushless belt sander, 6 amp hour battery and charger starter kit. So that's it right there. It does come with two 6 amp hour batteries, high output batteries, the charger and the tool itself. You guys know this belt sander is really expensive. So yes, guys, it's on the somehow it's hidden on the special buy of the day. I tried looking for it and I couldn't find it, but luckily I had the information, so I looked it up, and it's a hidden deal. So yeah, it's $279. That is how much the tool it's worth by itself. So you're basically getting the batteries for free. That's a really good deal. And I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video. It might be an affiliate link on the YouTube shopping cart. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.